got that real corn for a challenge. Tam's table.
Tell me how much you need me. Make my world go round. Ain't no competition. No one can compare.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we went another challenge, and this one is from my girl Tam's table, and it's clean the corn challenge. So guys, for this challenge, you got to clean 1 ear of corn in the fastest time and say, "Clean the corn" 5 times. Ooh, we getting that good old butter up there. Getting that good old butter up there. And my girl Ginger Snap voice. I don't know, I just love her. She is so amazing. She's awesome. Shout out to you, Ginger Snap 44. I don't know, she is amazing. I love her, everything that she does on her channel, especially her little grandbaby that I see all the time in videos and on Instagram and stuff like that. But we gonna slather this bad boy up with some butter. So guys, if you're watching this, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, that way you notify when I post. And let's continue with this video. Oop, your girl making a mess with all this butter. And we got us. I don't know why I just slathered all of this butter, but your girl got some butter, salt and pepper, rolling on the road. I've never ate salt like that before. Let me stop lying. I did. I swallowed a whole bottle of salt when I was like 5 or 6 years old. Right now, yeah, we're getting some of that good old salt and pepper up here. Y'all see this? Y'all want some? Clean the corn. I still got some of these leaf things up there. I don't know how to take them off, but... And to give that nice little kick, your girl about to put some sriracha. Oh, now I can't open this joint. Oh, you just gotta pull it. Ugh. Oh, let's see if we can complete this. We ain't giving it a lot, but... Okay. Are we ready to start this video in the fastest time? I don't even know how I'm gonna hold this. I wish I had a stick like on Tamz. She had a stick on hers. Are you ready? Let's set, go. Clean the corn. Good. Clean the corn. 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 Oh my God. I don't even know what my time was, but I know I did before a minute. But that was good. We're gonna eat the rest of this because, Next time, y'all try some butter, salt, pepper, and sriracha. And I know I said clean the corn like more than 5 times. But for the sake of this video, we're going to do it again. We're going to try to do again. So that way, let me make sure y'all can see it. So I won't be so in the video. Y'all can see it this time. But we're going to do it again. Because your girl, this was good. Got me spitting out corn everywhere. But y'all need to shout out to whoever came up with this sriracha sauce. Like, this was bomb.com. Alright, we got that up there. Let's put our salt down. And we're going to roll it. Let's roll in, roll in, roll in, roll in, roll in, roll in. Alright, got throw a little bit of sriracha up there. I should have got a napkin. Alright. We're gonna do it again. One, two, three. Clean the corn. 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 Oh my God. Clean the corn. Clean the corn. That was good. That was good. Oh my God, my face. Yo, look at this. Oh, I got burns on my arm now. Oh my God. The girl looks disgusting. So guys, I've seen it twice. I completed it. And the girl look a hot mess. Shout out to you, Tamz Table, for this challenge. It was definitely fun to do. Now I'm about to go clean myself because I look a hot mess. So guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications. That way you be notified when I post. Comment down below any more videos you would like me to do. And until next time, right here. Peace.
Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it.